How to create a professional-looking Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel in just a few easy steps. Open Excel and create a table with the required columns. Adjust width. Enter data. Adjust width. Select the table, then go to the Insert tab and choose a stacked bar chart. Your chart is created. Now, add a title, colors, or adjust the grid lines as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.